Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Today we have a viewer who reached out to us. They have a Wi-Fi router from Oman and contacted us through our YouTube channel asking if we could unlock it. We assured them that yes, indeed, the router can be unlocked. Our viewer mentioned that they had tried multiple places and several people, but no one was able to unlock it. Naturally, they were quite concerned since this router has the latest security features. Today, not only will we unlock this router, but we'll also provide a live proof so you can see the process for yourselves. As you can see on the screen, the router's model number is Huawei B612-233, and it's running on the V5 security version. This advanced security is the reason why it was challenging for others to unlock it. Many have tried, but today we're here to demonstrate that even the V5 security routers can be unlocked. If you also have a similar router or pocket Wi-Fi device with the latest security, many models can indeed be unlocked online. Now let's begin the unlocking and flashing process. It might take a little time, so we'll keep the video a bit fast-paced. Alhamdulillah, everyone. As you can see, our Wi-Fi router is now successfully unlocked, and our viewer's internet SIM is also working perfectly. Currently, there might be a network issue. Perhaps only 2G is available at the location, and 4G coverage isn't present. Once it moves to a 4G area, it will work seamlessly. Now, this router can be used with any network in Oman and even in other countries as well. If you have a similar device and wish to get it unlocked, feel free to contact us via WhatsApp. Our contact number is displayed on the screen. We hope you're satisfied with our service. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and stay tuned for more updates on 4G and 5G. Take care and goodbye.